Thank you guys. Thank you guys. We are back with another reaction. That shit was corny as hell. We got Nathan. I don't know how to say your last name, my boy. This the best worst idea ever. Hope this video don't get yellow marked because this video look crazy already. But I love crazy. No Diddy.
This is like Six Flags, but on a budget.
Fun fact, I did this before, but not concrete like this. It was in a cow pasture. It was like on a farm. I had a pallet, and I was getting drove by a truck.
Yo! Whoa, dude. Yo! Whoa, dude, this car meeting is lit.
Oh, police came. Bro, you didn't take the plastic, you didn't take the whatever. Chat, how many of y'all would do this in the comment section? Let me know. I don't like how this strap look right here, bro. It's already cut and they tied it back together, bro. I love to do this though. Bro, I just thought about, bro, is this I don't mean to pause the video like this, but they got a what do you call this? He got a damn, what do you call this, bro?
Bro, there's some things that I think are a good idea in my head, but then when I actually execute on them, I don't know if it's the best idea. Bro, my ass feels like it's, oh shit. Oh, what's happening to my ass? Why does it burn? It feels so sketchy, you guys have no idea. It's like Six Flags, but on a budget.
Dude, I cannot think of this name, bro, of this car part, bro. It goes in the front of your vehicle, bro. Fuck.
Oh, the perfect timing. Lose the cop. I didn't even do it. And that literally wasn't me, dude.
Because they don't.
I don't think you're like allowed to follow them, but I'm not following them. I'm just going to Safeway. Somebody got shot for sure. Oh, let's see who got shot. This is what we do on Saturday nights. Just living in Kent, you get to just see this on the daily.
Something on the hood.
I'm just curious.
There's a tweaker.
So, yeah, fire truck. So he's the victim, I'm assuming. He's a snitch. And then someone snitched.
Did you snitch? Yo, did you snitch on that?
Just pulls up. Hey man, don't be out
Imagine the car start shit. Never mind.
here snitching.
Snitches get stitches.
Don't sit in the film, bro.
You better get stitches. You know what you mean?
If I don't find out what happens, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. So I'm assuming he got assaulted, and that they're looking for the person because cops keep flying past, going in every different direction. No.
Snitches get stitches.
Stop drawing attention to us.
Watch it. This is how y'all know. Quick unload.
Oh yeah, that's just
Fuck the air cooler.
just thinking about that booster.
Bro, how am I gonna hit boost?
Nice, bro.
Hey, you wanna go on a ride? It's like Six Flags, but on a budget.
radiator. That's the name of it. That's what I was thinking.
I was never scared, I swear to God. I was never scared.
What the fuck? What? Why he got a life jacket on? To save your life.
You guys don't know how close we were to losing all of the skin on our backs. The bolt came completely.
Now we're about to fix it up. Go bring the tools.
Me personally, I think
You're fucking up the intercooler. You need to relax. Stressing everybody out. Relax.
no, not the intercooler.
Not the intercooler.
That was my bad. That was my bad. All right, so who's gonna ride this? Because I kind of don't want to ever do that again. Dude, the intercooler. This is a really beautiful contraption. Honestly.
Hold it. Thanks for the cop.
Yo, Nathan, cops are coming.
They're not pulling in.
They're not pulling in.
Right there. There's literally one right there behind.
It's so nosy.
The cop pulls up and is like, "Sorry, we broke down. This thing's like overheating."
Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
How you guys doing?
How you doing? Good.
What'd you break?
It's just overheating.
Yeah,
Yeah, my intercooler is like kind of messed up, so it just started overheating.
Yeah.
But it should be good now. We got everything tightened up, so.
I mean, if you gotta give it like 10, 15 more minutes, that's perfectly fine. I just figured I'd come over and see what the noise was.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That was also more of a heads up that there was a cop just chilling over there, so I don't know if he was.
Oh no, he's camping like a noob.
Yeah. He's a season 4 player.
Like we're out here no scoping. This cop's over here camping.
I don't think he has a tier 4 plate.
Oh yeah, we saw him. I guess they're across the street. Somebody got like assaulted, maybe.
God, I literally just got here a few minutes ago, so.
When did they start hiring security here?
So
Was this
technically,
recently?
they switched us to overnights because of car meetups and everything.
This is not a car
People
meet.
doing donuts is what f***ed it up for everybody.
Dude, and then there's this dumbass that took a Winnebago, put a car on top of it, and like yanked it off literally right here.
Yeah, I don't know what dumbass did that. I'm just trying to remember.
I know we saw
Yeah, I don't know what dumbass did that. I'm just trying to remember.
I know we saw the cop. We're about to load up. We're just trying to fix it first.
I got it.
Yeah, but we'll get out of here.
I appreciate it. You guys have a good night. Stay safe.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yo, it's not.
That's solid.
Just literally chilling back.
I don't want to though.
Like, it seems comfortable, but
It's not. I'm not gonna lie to anybody. It's not comfortable. It's really comfortable when you're the person driving, whipping the person around. That's comfortable. Sitting on it is terrifying. Who shit their pants? And why is his tailgate?
Better smack.
His taillight's gone.
Yo, this tail light. Yo, you can't park there.
It's a bad spot to park, man. Cops park there too, man. Let's go. What's happening? Yo, your taillight. Taillight fell out. Your taillight fell out. No, tell me his taillight. No, tell me his taillight.
Your tail light fell out.
Actually, said I think your keys are in your door. So he thinks you're messing with him, but his taillight's actually falling out. He's gonna think the bulb is out, like the bulb is dead. But his taillight literally fell out completely.
oh,
Yo, what the heck? Yo. We literally were not trying to go to a meet. Why is there a meet here? Bro, what happened?
we were just here. There was no one here.
He about to go. He about to go mess up everything.
What? I got you. Oh, hey, hold on. We have safety intent, bro. Relax. You'll be alright. Why is there what the fuck? What the fuck? I ain't a bitch on this. Oh, okay. Oh, alright. this smack has never been realer, bro. I swear to God.
Stop playing. I think this video finna get yellow marked.
Oh!
I got you.
Go.
What the fuck? Hop in, hop in. Put it in reverse, Daddy. Put it in reverse. I like curves.
David, relax. How you feeling?
No, because then there's a fire there. I'm not trying to be there just chilling.
Yo!
Whoa, dude, this car meeting is lit. How did this even happen? Like,
Probably a firework.
I don't understand. We could put this whole thing out, Loki.
Yeah, actually we are.
Look, hey, look at us do it. Look at us. Look at us. Good citizens.
Law-abiding citizens.
Yo, dude, I just woke up.
Actually, the police is coming, so we better bail.
We're gonna get blamed. We're gonna get blamed. We're gonna get blamed.
Yo, we're the reverse arsonists.
Yeah, I know. Like, we put it out. We're like, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, time for Betty. Bye. See you guys next week.
WV, I'm about to get this boy subscribe. Turn on. Turn the post notifications on and subscribe. Sound like a motherfucking party going on in this bit. Alright, I'm gonna with y'all chat. Hold on. If y'all don't subscribe to my mother channel, I'ma beat your